Welcome, dear viewers, to Daily New Vibes. Today, we bring you a thought-provoking story about a powerful king and a poor old beggar. This tale will remind us that true richness does not come from gold or crowns, but from wisdom, humility, and kindness. Long ago, there was a mighty king who lived in a palace of gold. His crown glittered with diamonds, and everyone admired him for his wealth and power. Yet deep inside, the king often wondered, do people respect me for my character, or only for my riches? One hot afternoon, the king disguised himself in simple clothes and walked through the streets of his capital. As he moved among the people, he noticed an old beggar sitting by the city gates. The beggar wore torn clothes. His face was wrinkled with age, yet he greeted every passerby with a warm smile. The king grew curious and stopped to watch him. The king sat beside the beggar and asked softly, "Old man, you have no money, no house, no food, yet you smile as if you are the richest man alive. How is that possible?" The beggar chuckled and said, "My king, though you hide your crown, I know who you are. But let me tell you, gold can fill a palace, but it cannot fill an empty heart. I may have little, but I have gratitude. Every breath is a gift, every sunrise a blessing, and every smile I share comes back to me multiplied." The king was amazed. "But do you not wish for gold, servants, or a fine house?" he asked. The beggar shook his head and replied, "Gold can be stolen, houses can fall, servants can leave, but gratitude and kindness never leave. They are treasures that only grow when shared." The next morning, the king invited the beggar to his palace. His ministers were shocked. "How can a king sit with a beggar?" they whispered. But the king raised his hand and declared, "This man has taught me what no treasure could. He showed me that true wealth lies not in gold, but in gratitude and kindness." From that day forward, the king ruled with humility. He shared his riches more generously, listened to his people patiently, and remembered the beggar's smile whenever he looked at his glittering crown. And so, the king discovered that a grateful heart is greater than a golden throne. Thank you for watching Daily New Vibes. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational tales that warm the heart and guide the soul.